welcome to the Job Street CareerCon 2025.
Get ready for an afternoon filled with valuable insights, actionable takeaways, and meaningful conversations.
It is truly an honor to be here today, surrounded by such esteemed individuals who have dedicated themselves to championing the Filipino workforce.
Pagpatuloy po namin itong programa ito para lahat naman ng ating mga kababayan ay mabigyan ng pagkakataon upang makahanap ng magandang trabaho para sa kanilang hanap buhay, para sa kanilang pamilya at para sa Pilipinas.